In this video, we will guide you through setting up a PHP development environment. We will cover installing PHP, web servers, and essential development tools to get you started with PHP development. Let's get started. A PHP development environment is a complete setup that includes a PHP interpreter, a web server, and development tools. These are needed to write, test, and run PHP applications locally on your computer. It provides everything you need to create and test your PHP projects before deploying them to a live web server. There are three core components to a PHP development environment. First, the PHP interpreter. This executes PHP code. Second, a web server which serves web pages. And third, a database. This stores the application data. Let's look at installing PHP. There are three primary methods for installing PHP. 1. You can use official PHP downloads. 2. You can use package managers. And 3. You can use development stacks. Once installed, use the command php version to check the PHP version. To check installed modules, use the command phpm. A web server is also an important part of the PHP development environment. Here are two options. One is a built-in server. This is PHP's built-in development server for quick testing and development. Another option is Apache or Nginx. These are production-ready web servers with advanced configuration options. The built-in server is perfect for testing PHP scripts locally without a complex server setup. To start the server on localhost, port 8000, type phps localhost 8000. To start with a specific document root, type phps localhost 8000t/path/to/project. Having the right development tools is important for PHP development. Some code editors include Visual Studio Code, PHP Storm, and Sublime Text. Some development stacks include XAMPP, XAMPP, and Docker. Let's test your setup. Create a simple PHP file to verify your development environment is working correctly. Create a file called index.php, then type the following code. Start with an opening PHP tag, then type echo hello, PHP world, then type finfo, and then a closing PHP tag. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.